Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So the purpose of this video is to show how you can create the parent account. So the parent account is created basically within the child account only. Let me quickly log in with the child. Okay, now you need to click on the profile and go to the settings. So here you will see two options. One is to create the parent account and another is a link parent account. So what is link parent account? I'll show you. And first let us create the parent account. So once you click on that, you will see there are many options here. One is that you can create the parent account directly by entering your any email services, like you can, if you have a Gmail account, then you can enter that, or if you have a Yahoo account, then you can enter that and create your account. Or else if you want to directly create your account with the Google, then it will just pop you with all the Gmail accounts that you have in the system, and you can select your Gmail account and create the parent account with that. Or else you can do the same thing with the Apple. If you have an Apple account, then you can create your account with the Apple. So let us create with this. Let's say you'll just directly create the account. I'll enter parent name and then I'll just enter the email address. And I'll set my password. Okay, so once you do this, the create button is enabled. Okay, now so it needs to verify whether the account is valid or not. So we are sending 4-digit passcode to the email whatever you have entered. So you need to enter that code. Okay, so once this is verified, the account will be created. See here, you can see the message that your parent account has been created successfully. It will log you out. Now let us see whether the account has created or not. I created with this Gmail and I set my password, and then I will just, you can see child 1 profile is linked now. So here I have not entered the child 1's like username and password. I directly logged in with the parent account, and then I'm accessing. Okay, now we have just directly created the parent account, right? So now we can again connect the same account with the Google, or if you want to connect with the Apple, you can also do that. So now once you click on connect with Google, again it will ask you for the 4-digit passcode. So once the verification is done with the email, so we will send one-time passcode. So that will be throughout the year for your child's verification. Like if you are changing the grade, or if you are changing the switching the accounts, that time it will ask you that 4-digit passcode, then you need to enter that. So you will find that in your email. So and then I'm entering my passcode. Okay, so once this is verified, it will show the pop-up screen with all the accounts that I have. Now I will select my Gmail account. Now it is creating, it is connecting my account with the social media, that is Gmail account, right? So once this is done, you will see a successful message that your Gmail account is connected successfully. Let us see whether it is connected or not. Let us log out. Right, now I will directly log in with my Google account. Okay, now we can see child 1 profile loaded. Now you can see here your account is connected with Google now. So now you have another option also to connect with your Apple account. If you want to do that the same way, so it will again pop you with the Apple ID you have to enter, and you have to verify, and you can directly link the Apple account with the same child account. Now let's say for example the like you have child 2 and you want to create the parent account, and but you should not create another account, or you should not use another Gmail account or something, right? So you can just link that child also with the same account. Now let us log in with the second child. So log in with the second child, and then again same thing you will see here in the profile settings. You will see create parent account and link parent account. This time we will not use create parent account because we have already created a parent account. Now we just want to link the second child with the same parent account. Now you will just click on link parent account. Okay, so now you can directly enter your email, whatever you have used, or you can directly link with your Google account. So now let us do that, and then I'll select my Gmail account. This pop-up may be visible or may not be visible, but it will show you the pop-up with all the Gmail accounts. Now it is showing parent account linked successfully. Now we will just log out, and now we will see now there are two accounts linked with the same parent account, right? Now I'll select my Gmail account. See, you can see here child 1 and child 2. So because with the child 1 we have created the parent account, and with the child 2 we have just linked with the same. So if I just want to load child 1, now let's go. Then this loads the child 1 account. Like after the login within the profile, if you want to change, so now you can use the switch profile, and you can always switch the accounts with the parent account itself. So but if you want to switch the accounts, you need to again enter the passcode because it asks for the verification, right? So like this you can just switch the accounts, and basically you can use the account without, like, childs may face difficulty in entering the username. They may change the password, and they will forget that. So in that case the parent account will really help. So you can just directly use your Gmail account, and you can directly log in. So this is how we create the parent account and how we link the parent account. So you can do the same thing with the Apple also, right? So that is about creating the parent account. Yes.